Welcome to Vdara, dear.
Wow, look at this place.
Check it out.
Awesome. Welcome to Vdara.
Welcome to our humble abode. We are at Vdara, Las Vegas, at the City Center, the Aria City Center, and this is an executive corner suite, fountain view, city view room. Yeah, figure that one out. It's a lot, right? So I searched long and hard to find this room. Very long time. It's confusing to figure out which is which, especially if you want a view of the Bellagio fountains, but we got you. This is it. So let's get to it, a quick tour of the room. So first off, you have seating for 4, nice sized dining room table. And in addition to that, when you come on over here, you have a full kitchen, you have a sink, you have a cooktop, 4 cooking ports. Then you have the smart fridge. So this is the mini bar, right? As soon as you pull an item out of there, it senses it and charges your card. So if I were you, the smart thing to do would be get your own snacks and use your own fridge. So they have a market downstairs where you can buy snacks and things to fill this up with. Just bring your own from home, you know. Stop at CVS around the corner. You also have a dishwasher. And it's important to note, you look in here, the cabinets are bare, right? Call downstairs and they'll bring you up plates, forks, dishes, anything you need. Just call the front desk. And they got you. So these are actually apartments. People own these. They lease them back to Vdara and rent them out. So if you want to buy one, you can. But these feel just like home because to some people they actually are. So let's go check out the living room. So we go in here through the kitchen and you access, voila. So you have a pull-out sofa here. Love the backdrop, very nicely done. And with that pull-out sofa, it becomes its own bedroom, right? So shut it off right there. You have a TV here. And also, there's a notice in here somewhere. You have hookups in here for games, computer systems, whatever you want to project right onto the TV. So really home away from home. They really miss nothing. I like this artwork. If we weren't already over our baggage limits on the airplane, I might think about seeing if this could fit into my bag. I'm just playing, y'all. So this is the living room. Take a look at it. Nice and comfortable, beautiful view in the background. Follow me onto the living room. Shall you? You shall. So also this is a Staywell suite. What that means is it's equipped with certain kind of air purifiers. This being one of the systems. It injects vitamin C into the air, which if you're in Vegas, you're going to need that to stay up. So it has that right next to the bed. You also have another air purifier, sort of like a sonic sleep system, which is real cool. Added touches to the room. Just shows that they left no stone unturned. You have your own reading lights here at nighttime. Look at that. Look at that. Perfect. Just equipped with everything. And you have your full flat screen TV right in front of the bed. And the beauty of that is with these windows at night, Just imagine that view with all the Vegas lights that the city is known for, lighting up the sky, and you have that as your backdrop. You got a king bed. Right next to the bed, you have your tablet where you can order room service. Questions for the front desk. This also doubles as a phone if you don't want to pick up that one and get your hands all germy and nasty, right? But learn how to put it back in there. Also has charging ports built into it, which is big for us. And then, I mean, once again, that backdrop, look at that. Beautiful. You have your desk here if you want to work from home. Old school people like myself, they do have an Ethernet hookup on this desk as well, so that's a plus. And I mean, if I could have this as my view, this is cheating. This is the cheat code to work from home, right? So into the bathroom we roll. You have your dual vanities. Look at that. Look, she addicted to that view. Come on, cameraman. I know, I understand. I don't want to lead a view either, right? But you have your dual vanities, backlit mirror, real nice touch. We tend to argue over the sinks. For some reason, everybody migrates to my sink, even though they have their own, and this is the home. So maybe today here out of town, we can keep those separate. And this, oh, this, yeah, buddy. Woo! You know that was gonna happen. I mean, this is a perk. Now, some rooms, all rooms have these tubs, but some rooms had these tubs in the bathroom with no windows. So it was a goal of mine to make sure I got a room with a tub that faces out the window and lets you capture that view. I'm not even a tub person, but I think I am this trip. You can see the Ferris wheel, the Eiffel Tower. I can see Caesar's Palace, and legend has it Caesar used to stay there, so might be something to check out. Get my fat butt out this tub. And while you're looking at it, let's just look. Let's just cut to the chase. Go ahead and get it. That right there, ladies and gentlemen, is the Bellagio fountains. So for years, everybody thought Bellagio or Cosmo was the only hotel that had a view of the fountains. Nope. Vdara does as well. And one of the that was the main reason why I wanted this room, I'm not gonna lie, a view of the fountains. Now, like I said, they have a studio fountain suite, but this one is a big boy. Once those go off, we'll have to show you. So you come on in, you have your walk-in shower. And it's important to note also, with this being a Staywell room, get this door open. Up here in the shower head is equipped is a vitamin C diffuser. So not only are you washing off with regular water, it's injected with vitamin C as well. So that's another perk of the Staywell suite. Starting to wrap this bathroom portion up. Coming around, you have your separate table to do your makeup. I get my glam on, not even gonna lie. Once again, backlit mirror, and that's perfect. Even more of a reason why I shouldn't have to worry about my sink over there being sacrificed, but I feel for some reason it still will be. So let's wrap it on up. You had your last set of doors, and you're right back in the kitchen. So, as I said, this is the Corner City Fountain View Suite at Vdara. And I searched long and wide for this, and I found it. It's so worth it. Make sure you do it. There's a lot of suites in this hotel, a lot of suites in the world. A lot of people, just side note, Vdara does not have a casino, but the casino is right next door. So don't worry about that. You get your quiet, your peace, and your tranquility over here. And then as an added note, just to give to you, I reached out to Vdara to see if we can just come in and preview this room, not even stay in this room, but just look at it and take pictures and bring you videos like this. They said, no, we aren't looking for this kind of help at this time because I'm a small guy. So what we do, we paid our own money to come here to bring you this. So this is why it's worth it. So I think I've done my rant long enough, and I highly recommend this room at Vdara. We searched long and wide, so you don't have to. Signing out, we NVLV. Peace. I'm gonna go check out this view. Holla.